Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a Profitec 500.
Okay.
I guess that's to do with water, right? Yeah, it's in the water.
Slow shot. It was probably a little too tight of a grind and fresh, but as you can see, it is working its way through. And unfortunately, this table's on a slight angle, so it hit that side first, but it's catching up with itself right away. Actually, looking now, that shot is coming out really, really good. Alright, I'm going to cut that shot now. Very nice. Look at all that crema. Let's check the steam pressure here. Nice strong steam. The hot water shuts right off. You can hear it asking to replenish from the reservoir to the boiler. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.